In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly turn off smart guides in Adobe Illustrator. If you've ever seen those colored alignment hints snap to paths, anchors, or edges as you move objects around, that's smart guides at work. They're great for precision alignment, but there are times, like when you want freeform movement or you're nudging objects without snap interference, when turning them off makes your workflow smoother. Here's the simplest way to do it through the menu. Look to the top of your screen for the main menu. On macOS, it sits in the system menu bar. On Windows, it's at the top of the application window. Click View, then look down the list for Smart Guides. If Smart Guides are currently enabled, you'll see a check mark next to that option. That check mark is your visual indicator that they're on. To disable them, click Smart Guides once. The check mark disappears, and that means Smart Guides are now off. If you ever want them back, just repeat the same click to re-enable them. It's a straightforward toggle in the exact same place. If you prefer a faster method, use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+U. On Mac, press Command+U. This is a toggle, which means it flips the setting each time you press it. If Smart Guides are on, that shortcut turns them off instantly. If they're off, pressing it again turns them back on. This is especially handy when you're moving between tasks and want to switch quickly without breaking your flow to open a menu. A quick way to confirm that Smart Guides are off is to click and drag an object. You should no longer see those alignment lines or snapping cues appear. If you're unsure, you can always peek back at the View menu and check whether the Smart Guides item shows a check mark. No check mark means they're disabled. One tip to keep in mind, turning off Smart Guides doesn't remove your rulers, grids, or manual guides. It only affects the smart alignment hints and snapping behavior associated with them. So you can still use other layout tools as needed. If you work on detailed layouts, consider keeping the shortcut in mind so you can disable Smart Guides for free movement, then re-enable them when you're ready to align precisely. That's all there is to it. Use the View menu to toggle Smart Guides with a click, or rely on the Ctrl or Command+U shortcut for the fastest switch. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.